So unfortunately I hit the cone and the lip has been a little bit mangled. It's all better days. It was scraping underneath here, but no big deal. This is probably, I think I can fix this. Shouldn't be too bad. I wanted to paint this anyways, but I'll probably try to do what I can. All the tabs here are still good, so shouldn't be an issue. So right now, my wheels can't fit into space. Long, so Kevin was just grinding down the so that's what Kevin's up to right now. And I'll show you guys.
Battery died.
I'll show you guys Ash's wheel. This is insane. Look at that. This literally just came flapping off. That's crazy. Like this is because he didn't warm up the tires enough, and the outside layer I think got too hot and it separated and delaminated and stuff. I think that's the science behind it. I watched a video on it, but that's it. But this is actually cool. I've never seen it this big before. Yeah, that's look at this. He just kept going. What
you need this for your car?
What is that?
I don't know, it's probably from ashes. More garbage.
That's crazy. Oh my god. How's it looking, Kev?
Looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Improvement?
I think it'll be mint.
Okay.
They're all flush, so.
So you trust this wheel?
Yep.
All right.
It's the one with the crack too?
Not well. It's not great. It's a dent, not a crack. So we should be
sorry.
good.
Yeah. The chunk.
This is probably my favorite car at the event. An 86. I want one of these so bad. This thing is so sick. Dory Dory, you guys know who Dory Dory is? You guys know what's up. Probably the coolest car here. The 86, man. Low power, lightweight chassis. Biggest hot boy. Right, so right now it's gonna be like the second, I guess, period of drifting. And I'm just setting up tires, 25 in front, 30 at the back. I'm gonna see how that does. Hopefully I don't spin out and it's all good. Tire pressure is way too much at 30. I'm probably gonna go back down to like, I wanna say 20, 25, 20.
You on the other set, you're on 18, right?
Other set, but this one's are more grippy. I might need more tire pressure just to get rid of a little bit of that grip.
Right.
But yeah, I went over there in the figure 8 and it was just, it felt good, but it was just too loose at the back. Exhaust just fell off. What the? Oh my god.
How's it going, bro?
Good, am I doing better?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
It looks sick out there.
Sick, man.
Hey Kevin!
How's it going?
Is this for Mike's?
Yeah.
Hi Mike.
It's jdmicon here.
I know it's JD. It's Mike. It's Mike to me and it's always going to be Mike.
True.
Mike is killing
It's
it.
forever gonna
Mike,
be Mike.
okay, if you guys don't know, if you guys aren't trusting
Mike's
it,
killing
Mike's
it.
is killing it right now.
Oh yeah.
You guys don't understand that.
He's doing really good.
Yeah.
So it's starting to come down, it's starting to rain a little bit. I am going to go ahead and slide and hopefully not hit anything or spin out because the rain does make it really slick. But I'm going to give you guys a new view. I'm going to give you guys this. I didn't spin out. The camera went a little sideways, but didn't spin out. Okay, so right now we are gonna be riding in an 86. John, my homie, is gonna take me for a whip in like the initial D car. Here it goes. This man, he has Natsuki's charm that she gave to Takumi season 3. For Stage 3.
I had to buy one from eBay.
Damn, that's so cool. Thanks for the ride, bro. Appreciate it, bro. This thing is insane, man.
Next August, I'll see you again.
Yeah, bro. Let me know if you're gonna sell this car. I think that is it for today's drift day. I was super pumped and happy with how it turned out. It was really fun. Again, huge shout out to the homie. He's putting away a cooler right now, running away from me. But the homie Kevin, he literally drove this van all by himself here. It was super, because the racetrack's an hour and a half away, so he was an hour and a half away, like, alone. And he literally brought all his tools. He hauled everything, packed up. He helped me with my tires and minor repairs I had on the Z. The Z was pretty reliable, but huge shout out to Kevin. Definitely, it would not have been as smooth as it was today without him. So, Kevin, thank you so much.
No problem.
Love you, baby.
It went very well today, though.
It went really smoothly, and that's all thanks to you. You were over prepared.
A little bit too much, but
Okay. Sounds sick, but the car is broken, trust me. This is like, Kevin literally brought all his tools, his 2 types of torque wrenches, an air tank, a tent, a whole tent, and everything. Huge shout out to you, Kevin. Thank you so much.
no problem, man.
Thanks, man. I love this guy. I love this guy. Also, shout out to the Shadow Racing guys for like making it fun and like coming out here. Super sick. Unfortunately, the S14 is broken. They're currently tuning it, and he ran out of tires. I would have loved to see this out more, but hopefully next event he'll get this more dialed and have it less stancy and more drift ready. But this was super fun. I think my favorite part of it, but other than drifting the Z all day, was of course the 86. Huge shout out to John for letting me ride along with him. I love this car so much. 4AGE, pure just simplicity and like light chassis, low power, just like how they do it in Japan. Shout out to everyone here for making this day so fun. Super sick. And everyone is basically going for their last few laps before they end the day, so I'm gonna put away my helmet and call it a day. Alright guys, so we are back home. The Z made it here safe. Little to no issues. The only issue we did have was when Kevin had to grind down the lug nuts so the other wheels could fit. Other than that, she's chilling. She is a champ. The only battle damage she got from the drift event was the lip here. I did run over my lip when I hit a pylon. It came off, which is weird because I did screw it in, but again, I can just buy another lip. It's no big deal. That's why drift cars get eBay stuff. But once again, I want to thank everyone for supporting. A few of you guys watching the videos were at the drift event. It was really cool. And I want to thank you guys so much for supporting JDM Icon, as well as the Instagram, the store, and whatnot. So thank you guys so much for coming out and supporting. And of course, next month is going to be another drift event. I can't wait to take the Z out and drift it again. But that is all the time we have for today. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.